footprint in the mud outside of this small community south of Whitehorse, and soon after, a tuft of hair was located, and there was great suspicion that this may be evidence of a Sasquatch.
Hello.
This footprint was not normal, it didn't match up to any other creatures in the area, and I think there have been rumors circulating around the communities as well up until that point. When this was reported to several news organizations,
Whoa.
the CBC, the Whitehorse Star, and a little later the Yukon News, all reported on this discovery.
At the time, Philip Merchant worked for the Yukon government. It was he who took charge of the investigation.
Well, the first I heard of it was from a conservation officer
Hello.
in Teslin,
Hello.
who was asked to
What's
come
up?
and have a look at
What's
some
up?
samples and some
What's up?
also.